Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to do a quick update here on my passion fruit vines that I put here because I removed 3 trees and I want to provide afternoon shade for my patio here and my master bedroom because the afternoon hot summer sun goes right directly into here and it heats it up fast. Very quickly the passion fruit vines have reached the roof right over here, as you can see. So that's amazing. I think it went past the roof now. So that's just amazing to me, but I'm not too surprised. I knew passion fruit is really fast growing, but definitely this is a result of foliar feeding them with seaweed and fish. But I've been really highly concentrating my fertilization techniques to the 2 middle varieties, which is the possum purple or the purple possum and the Frederick. Now let me show you the difference in size of leaves. Here is the blue horizon right here, which it gets foliar fed but not as often and not as much. I just do a quick spray of it. But let me show you the difference now between this and a variety of passion fruit that did not have this size of leaf before, and now it does because of heavy feeding, foliar feeding of fish and seaweed. Look at the difference. Isn't that amazing? And this grew from this point, so here, all the way up to here in a matter of 3 days. The other one's still trying to grow a bit. This was a really small start, but the leaves also got really huge compared to what they used to be. So another testament to the seaweed and fish foliar feeding technique. It's amazing. So as you can see, it's starting to grow here and here in the trellis I made, and it will start filling up this location and this location, especially going across here like you see what's happening right now. Got to keep these in check. You don't want this to start growing somewhere because it'll stay taut. It'll just be like a rope and keep growing out and out and out, not even falling, and then grab something on this pillar and start growing up this pillar. So you have to really control these guys. The tips to the roof I'm not too concerned about because the roof is really hot and it'll just keep dying back the tip of the passion fruit. In the fall and winter, that's a different story. I'll have to prune, but that's a long ways from now. All right, everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.